Welcome back to Adventure Pulse, where we embark on journeys to explore the world's most iconic landmarks and hidden treasures. Today, we dive into the heart of Brazil to uncover the fascinating story behind one of the 7 wonders of the New World, the statue of Christ the Redeemer. This monumental statue stands tall above Rio de Janeiro, symbolizing peace, openness, and the vibrant spirit of the Brazilian people. Our adventure begins with the statue's history, tracing its origins back to the early 20th century. The idea for a grand religious monument was first proposed in the 1850s by Father Pedro Maria Boss, a Catholic priest who saw the need for a symbol of Christianity in Brazil. However, it wasn't until 1920 that the idea gained traction. The Catholic Circle of Rio organized an event to garner support and raise funds for the construction of the statue, driven by the centenary of Brazil's independence from Portugal. The chosen location for this towering figure was the peak of Mount Corcovado, a 2,329-foot granite mountain offering breathtaking views of Rio de Janeiro. The site was selected not only for its visibility but also for its symbolic importance, representing the embrace of the city by the statue's outstretched arms. French sculptor Paul Landowski was commissioned to design the statue, while Brazilian engineer Heitor de Silva Costa oversaw the project. The collaboration between Landowski and Costa was instrumental in bringing the vision to life, blending artistic elegance with engineering prowess. The design featured a 98-foot-tall statue of Jesus Christ with arms extended 92 feet wide, creating an iconic pose that resonates with millions worldwide. Constructing the statue was no small feat. The project faced numerous challenges, from the logistical difficulties of transporting materials up the steep mountainside to the technical complexities of building such a massive structure. The statue was crafted using reinforced concrete and a soapstone outer layer, chosen for its durability and resistance to weathering. The soapstone, sourced from Ouro Preto, provided the statue with its characteristic light gray color. Work began in 1922 and continued for 9 years, with the official inauguration taking place on October 12, 1931. The unveiling ceremony was a grand event, attended by dignitaries, church officials, and thousands of spectators. The statue quickly became a symbol of hope and faith, embodying the spiritual and cultural identity of Brazil. As we ascend Mount Corcovado, we experience the awe-inspiring journey faced by the workers who built this magnificent statue. The path to the summit is now accessible via a cog train, offering a scenic ride through the lush Tijuca forest, one of the world's largest urban rainforests. The journey provides glimpses of Rio's natural beauty, with vibrant flora and fauna accompanying visitors as they approach the statue. Upon reaching the summit, visitors are greeted by panoramic views of Rio de Janeiro. The cityscape stretches out below, with iconic landmarks such as Sugarloaf Mountain, Copacabana Beach, and the sprawling expanse of Guanabara Bay. The vista from the base of Christ the Redeemer is truly breathtaking, offering a sense of serenity and wonder. Standing beneath the statue, one cannot help but be overwhelmed by its sheer scale and majesty. The outstretched arms seem to welcome all who come to visit, embodying the universal message of peace and love. The intricate details of the statue, from the folds of Christ's robe to the serene expression on his face, showcase the artistic skill and craftsmanship that went into its creation. Beyond its physical beauty, Christ the Redeemer holds deep spiritual significance for many. It serves as a pilgrimage site for Christians from around the world, offering a place of reflection and prayer. The statue's presence is a reminder of the enduring power of faith and the importance of unity in the face of adversity. As night falls, the statue is illuminated, casting a radiant glow over Rio de Janeiro. The sight of Christ the Redeemer bathed in light against the backdrop of the night sky is truly mesmerizing. It stands as a beacon of hope, visible from various points throughout the city, and serves as a constant reminder of the enduring spirit of Brazil. In addition to its spiritual and cultural significance, Christ the Redeemer has also become an iconic symbol of Rio de Janeiro and Brazil as a whole. It has been featured in countless films, photographs, and works of art, cementing its status as one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. The statue's image is synonymous with the vibrant energy and rich cultural heritage of Brazil. In recent years, efforts have been made to preserve and protect Christ the Redeemer for future generations. Regular maintenance and restoration work ensure that the statue remains in pristine condition, despite the challenges posed by the elements. These efforts are a testament to the dedication of the Brazilian people to safeguarding their cultural treasures. Our journey to Christ the Redeemer would not be complete without delving into the cultural and social impact of this iconic statue. Over the decades, it has played a role in numerous important events and celebrations in Brazil. From religious ceremonies to national holidays, Christ the Redeemer has been a focal point for gatherings that bring people together in a spirit of unity and joy. One of the most significant events in recent history was the 2014 FIFA World Cup, hosted by Brazil. Christ the Redeemer was prominently featured in the tournament's imagery, symbolizing the global unity brought about by the event. The statue was illuminated in the colors of participating nations, serving as a powerful visual representation of the world's diverse cultures coming together in the spirit of sportsmanship. In addition to its role in major events, Christ the Redeemer has also been a source of inspiration for artists, musicians, and writers. Its image has been immortalized in countless creative works, each capturing a different facet of its beauty and significance. The statue's presence in popular culture has helped to elevate its status as a global icon, known and revered by people of all backgrounds. As we conclude our journey to Christ the Redeemer, we are reminded of the profound impact that this statue has had on Brazil and the world. It stands as a testament to the power of faith, the importance of cultural heritage, and the enduring spirit of humanity. Christ the Redeemer is not just a statue, it is a symbol of hope, unity, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this adventure to discover the statue of Christ the Redeemer. We hope you have been inspired by its story and the incredible journey that led to its creation. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations with Adventure Pulse, as we continue to uncover the wonders of our world.